So over here you can see that I have a lot of photos, and over time you might have more photos as well. So let's say, for example, you're searching for a particular type of photo, then you can actually go ahead and simply search right here. I can say something like sky, let's say, for example. Then what happens is that Google will automatically figure out the photos and videos that have sky in them, and then will simply show it to you, even if you haven't named it out, as you can see right here. So let's say, for example, I'm going to say tree, and then it'll show up the pictures with tree in them, as you can see right here. Let me just try car right here, and it shows up the car right there. And that is simply how you can actually go ahead and search, utilize the search bar to search for pictures, as you can see right here. You can go around over here, and you can even see that you can actually go to favorites and then see what you have. Let me just go around and type in buildings, let's say, for example, right here. And there you go, there's the buildings. If you have people name saved, then you can actually go ahead and search for names as well. In my case, I don't have yet, so it won't show up anything. So let me just go ahead and type in face, and then it'll actually show up the image with the face, as you can see, and so forth. And that is simply how you can go ahead and utilize the search bar inside of Google Photos. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.